Are you stuck in a cycle of unhealthy behaviors in your relationship? It's a question that's not always easy to answer. Often we find ourselves tangled in a web of constant arguing, where the same issues keep cropping up again and again, leaving us feeling drained and frustrated. Maybe it's the lack of communication that's causing a rift. You might be feeling like you're walking on eggshells, unable to express your true feelings for fear of sparking another argument. Or it could be controlling behavior, where one partner is dictating the terms of the relationship, leaving the other feeling powerless and stifled. These are all signs of an unhealthy relationship, and when they're left unchecked, they can form a vicious cycle that's hard to break free from. It's like being trapped in a revolving door, going round and round without finding the exit. But don't worry, recognizing these patterns is the first step towards breaking free from them. So, how can you break this unhealthy cycle? First things first, acknowledge the issue. This is the initial step towards breaking the cycle. It's about being honest with yourself and your partner about what's going wrong. It's about admitting that there's a problem and that you both need to address it. Next, understand the root of the problem. This step requires some introspection. What's causing the unhealthy behaviors? Is it stress, unresolved issues, or unhealthy communication patterns? Identifying these triggers will help you address them effectively. Now, communicate with your partner about the issue. This doesn't mean pointing fingers or laying blame. It means having an open, honest, and respectful discussion about what's happening. Share your feelings, listen to your partner's perspective, and work together to find a solution. Sometimes the issue might be too complex to handle alone. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. Therapists and counselors are trained to help people navigate through relationship issues. They can provide you with tools and strategies to break the cycle of unhealthy behaviors. Lastly, practice healthy behaviors and habits in the relationship. This could be anything from expressing appreciation for each other, spending quality time together, or practicing good communication skills. Remember, it's not about blaming one another, but about working together to create a healthier relationship. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned. Spotting unhealthy patterns is the first step. Once you've acknowledged there's an issue, delve into its roots. Communicate openly with your partner about your concerns. Don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. And most importantly, practice healthier behaviors. Breaking unhealthy cycles takes time and effort, but with patience and determination, you can create a healthier and happier relationship. Remember, you're in this together. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We regularly share content that helps you understand and navigate through life's complexities. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. So make sure not to miss out. Remember, we're all in this journey together. Let's continue learning and growing. See that subscribe button on your screen? Go ahead, give it a click, and join us.